Kublai Pibara kajing betep ya kikam kibalaj hapo ka district an session judge sawes kasihel makarwat mentaus nam arajar apsan jong kipus stenographer the grade 3 bat driver te yak ni kipus ba phiya ban apply kande yaki ba lapandeb ya ka graduate bat na kam taki class 10 ru kidon kipus kibalaj te sape ya kane ka video hadu ke bakut bangan batai bha ha ka bede bat kini kipus namar piha ban submit offline day online te kibakwa ban apply te sape ja kini kijing batai te kala state bakin pedang yaki application kande hadu ka ap pratrik kumats arajar apsan tengah kerpat ya phi bapen ai ka wikalat kum kajing kerjan kajong phi ki kerteng jong kipus kade stenographer grade 3 ki number of post iway post balaj UR kategori iway ka age limit pat kade khat pra hadu live personam batna kamanta ki SC candidate pat ka age relaxation hadu sansnam ka mut hadu live newsnam baphiyo ban apply nang ta ka salary lane ka jingseu kade pe level age nang ta ka essential qualification pat bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma in stenographer in English pide bapendeb ya ka bachelor degree hakono ka stream in any discipline but ka diploma in stenographer haka English requirement minimum speed 80 word per minute and typing speed of 40 words per minute in computer on the basis of writing typing test and personal interview pide ban state ban tho pra phoguntin haka 10 minute haka jingtho lengkot bat ka jing state ban touch haki komputer saphau kentin namar kan sadon ka written lane typing test bat ka personal interview ka post baar ka day driver ki number of post iway I post ibalaj UR kategori iway kasnam pat ka day khat pradu live newsnam baphiyo ban apply ya kini ki post kajing seu pat ka day pe level 3 nang ta ka essential qualification pat SSLC pass from a recognized board pide ban pendep ya ka class 10 pass but pide rubandon ka valid driving license jong ki light motor vehicle bat transport vehicle pide bandon kajing tip banyak kali bat kajing sempang license hadin bapilayo ya ka license kali kababiang te kumna ban apply ya kini post candidate are to apply and submit their application through offline mode only during the working hour the 3rd March to 28 March 2025 in the establishment of district and session judge Makarwat ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply kini ki post baro artli ki post piha ban submit offline day online all candidates should submit their application in standard form along with attested self-attested copies in support of education piha ban submit daka standard form harangkat ki dokumen kum ka kelas papipule nang ta kasnem experience bat art likidur passport tiya kaneka standard form pila ban download hapo ka description below ngan sabu ya ka link hapo pidei ban pendap ya ki jingdon kam baro haka form bat haka por ba village ban submit pat piha ban submit lang bat haka por ba village ban submit piha ban song hapo ka envelope bat pidei ruban tho ya ka jakasa ka jong phi ki certificate ki dei ban save as attested copy ya baro bat pidei ban ra ai da ki original certificate ki jong phi day jong ki way bat ki candidate ki ba apply artli ki post piha ban ai laka jong ka application subu ladapi apply ya ki post stenographer piha ban submit laka jong day ban submit lang bat ki post driver ka application fee ya kini ki post pat ka day live pat hingka ya ki general but yang ngi KST pat kante chispa sanpo tingka. Lada pi apply berarti kemot kante chilaispa tingka. Tekum na ban sew ya by application piha ban le daka di man draft. Tiya kaneka di man draft pila ban yo haki ba state bank. Te enda pila dep sew pat piha ban tho ya ka kerteng kejung pi pat ka jakasa bat ka post ba pi apply. Syadin jong ka di man draft. Te sasong lang haka envelope bat ya ki dokumen baro kumba ngala deban ong mene bat pidei ban let submit hapo ka district and session judge makarwat sa West Kasihil district hado ka arhu praterik umats arajar apsan. Tetang kini kicibun tip kublesibun.